Hey, Latisha over here, coming straight out of sunny SoCal. What's going on, guys? I missed you so much. Thanks for tuning in today's show. So I've got some good news for you, okay? For those people that are in the business and, they got their own thing going, but they're just not getting enough leads. They're not getting enough sales. They're not getting enough buyers, and they're not getting enough eyeballs to see any of their marketing strategies that they're putting out there. Anything, whatever they're producing, no one is seeing it. Okay, so, let's back up a little bit. For those who don't know me, my name is Latisha Yilfo. I am an affiliate marketer online, okay? What I do is I'm simply a referral agent for many different companies that bring me income. Okay, I get commissions for marketing their products for reputable companies, okay, that are out there, that are needing a way for someone to get more eyeballs on their products, right? So one that I want to talk about today, though, is one that you guys always know that I talk about. The reason why I love this company so much is because it comes with benefits, guys. Benefits. What other company is going to give you good benefits, okay? So this company does not pay money on no advertising whatsoever. What they do is solely rely on their members by giving them the opportunity, the paying customers, to give them the opportunity to make more money. And in turn, it's like your membership will be free because every single person that signs up with your referral link that they provide you when you pay $39.90 for your benefits, guys, to the company, not to me. You pay that to the company, someone clicks on your referral link, and you get $80 to $90 commission. So in turn, your monthly membership, that's $19.95, $5 a week, guys, it ends up being free. So that's why I love this company so much, and I have a little tidbit. You want to wait till the end of the video, something new that just popped up for all of you guys that are skeptical or that are just plain scared or of the unknown, and you're like, I don't know if this is for me, I don't know if I should do it or not. That's fine. Just grab your benefits first, okay? So when you sign up under me. You don't have to just dive in and jump in. What I'm there for, okay, what you will get when you sign up under me is you will have me, all of me, okay? I will be the one to be walking you forward, taking those baby steps that you need to know about the online world. Because let me hear it, guys. I know you probably clicked on many different YouTube videos. You're probably out there searching and everything right now. But at the end of the day, it's really important that you stay focused, right? And so we have a training that's set up. I will personally guide you and train you. There's just tons of videos, tons of value, step-by-step guides if you don't know what to do, okay? You don't know where to begin with this, right? And also, TVC does provide you with a marketing website. They have marketing tools for you. So this is all legit, very reputable company. You do file taxes. Instead of filling out a W-2 for your regular 40-hour work week job, 9 to 5 that you're working right now, you fill out a W-9 form, okay? W-9 form, guys. It's very similar, but it's not hard to fill out. We have videos. We teach you how to fill out the forms, okay? We'll teach you how to get there. We'll teach you how to get your well card to get your benefits. We will teach you how to build your website, or we can make one for you. Another thing is we teach you how to pick a platform. Hey, maybe you like Instagram. Maybe you love YouTube. Maybe you love Facebook. Maybe, I want to be behind the scenes. So let me just run dark ads. What's a dark ad? Where people don't even know that you're marketing. You can market behind the scenes and make bankroll. You can throw traffic. Which traffic? You can throw traffic by purchasing traffic, getting people that are going to your website link to purchase maybe just the membership. Maybe you don't want to market the opportunity. Maybe you're not comfortable yet. We teach you how to build that confidence by providing, in the training. If you guys haven't seen my last YouTube video, we provide you information on how to bring out your confidence with mindset training, which is very important. So, I want to get to the nitty-gritty. I got something juicy here for you guys. This is the piece of the pie. This is the new piece of the pie, guys, that we added to the training. So, drum roll. If you guys sign up with me, you will get this for free. This is a very thick packet of information. You see that? Woo! Look at that. That took some time, man. People don't realize, you got to invest. Every business owner invested money in themselves. Why? Because they believe in a dream, they believe in something bigger, and they believe that they can make it, and they believe that other people will invest in them, which we do every day. That Starbucks cup that you buy every single day or throughout the whole entire day, and you post it on all social media platforms, and you don't get paid for it, that's one way you can actually get paid if they had a referral program. How does that make you feel to know every pair of jeans, every pair of Jordans or shoes or heels or purses or anywhere you went, a restaurant you checked into, how would it feel to know you can get paid for advertising somebody else's product or service? And that's all I do, guys. I'm an affiliate marketer. That's all I do. I learned how to run traffic to different offers. That's it. And the one that I mainly talk about is the one where I'm letting the world know that, hey, you guys can do this too, okay? It's not complicated at all. You have a following behind you, okay? You don't have to flash cash. You don't have to rent a Ferrari to look cool to get people to sign up. You don't have to bug your family and friends, okay? Even though you are more than welcome to knock on a neighbor's door if that's how you feel comfortable, okay? We teach you offline, online. So this ties into this. This is the gift of God. Okay, so I love this because, Justin, who is the founder of Most Want We Will, put together, guys, your 2-week plan. Now, there is no excuses. I don't want to hear there's no excuses. You can't make any excuses right now because literally daily, I'm talking early morning, mid-morning, lunch, afternoon, mid-afternoon, evening, mid-evening, before I go to bed, how to post, what to post, just to spark some creativity within you guys. It's a guide, okay? You don't know what to do, what to say, how to get it. You don't know how to get money. We're teaching you how to get money here. It's very important that everybody learns these skills. And then you start branding yourself, you start feeling comfortable, you start getting your own skin, and then you can branch off and do your own thing, and then you don't have to use this guide. You'll have your own guide. You'll have your own daily method of operation, what works for you. This is just a guide to get you started, okay? Some people are scared, they don't know what to do. Well, here you go, no excuses. It's written out, laid out, ABC, dummy style, literally, guys. It's not hard. I needed something like this when I first started. I was all over the place, right? So it's good that we're out here, as marketers, we care about other people. We want everyone else to succeed, and I want you to succeed too. And I'm very thorough and I'm very detailed with getting you on the bus to do that, okay? And I check up on you. I make sure everything's right, your checkout links on your websites, all of that. You just have to ask questions. Some people don't like to ask questions, so I need you to get involved, okay? So low startup cost, really quick, $39.90. Invest in yourself, $5 a week to start your business, $5 a week. If I told you $5 a week is all you needed, $5 a week to keep a business running for yourself where you get paid every single Friday using simply your smartphone. You don't even need a laptop. You don't need a laptop. You can do all of this from your phone. There are so many videos out there that we have in our training where we teach you how to use just only your phone. And I'm not talking talk on the phone. I'm talking marketing on your phone using all your social media platforms. It's easy as taking a picture or a video. Videos are very lucrative, guys, so you'll want to get into that. And now as far as this 2-week plan, if you are already in the MCA business or if you're in any kind of hair business, shoe business, I don't care, wherever it's at, Shopify e-commerce, I don't care what you're doing, and you are using social media as a platform to get everybody to your products, you're going to need this 2-week plan. You're going to need this 2-week plan. That way you can get more eyeballs, more leads, more sales, more buyers. That's the whole point, right, guys? Everything is sales, guys. You have to get those sales. You got to get them. And the only way to get it is to at least start by some guidance that's going to make you become consistent. Because you know what? Consistency is the key. So if you haven't tuned in, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Lucrative Lives. Follow me on Snapchat. I'll give you that personally. if you want the Snapchat. But everything else, Twitter, Lucrative Lives, here, Lucrative Lives with Latisha. Thanks for tuning in. This is your first time. You can even go to my website, earncashonline.us. You want to sign up on my mailing list. That way you can get all the cool tips and tricks and deals on things that I find out about how you can add more zeros in your bank account and definitely get you going to start living the life that you've always dreamed of. So, I'm going to leave on this note, guys. If you don't take advantage of this offer right now, if you're not on the team, you can get this for $30. Okay? $30, that's it. Special time offer. What you're going to do is you're going to email me info@lucrativeliveswithlatisha.com or freecheapdealsonline@gmail.com, or you can text me, okay? I'll leave all the information below, 858-224-3330. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and stay tuned to the next video.